Good evening, YouTube and the internet. As you can see, I'm in my new shed. This is the first actual job I'm filming in the new shed, and it's probably the easiest job you could ever do in a car. But this happened to me yesterday. Got to replace the wiper blades. Now, there's two ways you can do it. You can buy these refill type ones, which are more expensive, but easier and faster. And this is a Falcon, so these are the refill types, which are only a couple bucks each. The rear one takes these, so there's no refills for that. So I'm going to do the wiper blades. These are so easy, anyone can do it. Lift up the blade, flatten it out like that. Basically, on the Falcon, you just pull it down and you're done. That's it. So you get that one off. Now, let's grab these out. So it would appear that this only got me one blade. I was under the impression that this came with two blades. So, guess we're only doing the driver's side today. And that looks a bit different. So, it's basically got to go in that way. Lever that up. So you can tell I don't practice my stuff before I film. Yep, that's it. Push that all the way up. I got a sneaking suspicion that's insufficient. I think it's got to go further. There we go. That's locked in. Boom. Well, at least I'll be able to drive tomorrow. Driver's side is done. Need to buy another one of these. Could have sworn the thing said there were two blades in the box. So that's the part number for this particular one. They're fairly generic. We won't be doing the passenger side because we don't have it, or I could actually show you the refill because these only come in pairs and I had to buy two for the rear, so I could actually show you how to do it the old school method, which is basically removing this component here, just the blade itself. Let's have a look. So these are exactly as expected. We just pull on here. I've already loosened this one effectively, so I can do this one-handed. Or hold the camera in my mouth. So that's the refill. This side was actually better than the other side, but I'm here anyway, so let's do this. Get this open. So the new blades come with these little prongs on them, so they just go in like so. Someone's got the shakes. You just got to feed the grooves through the plastic slots through the things that line up with them. Pretty sure you get the point. I'm going to put you down and do this with two hands. Okay, they're all in the slots. Push it forward. You see the pointy little prong thing? We just got to push that in. Just got to. Push it in like that. Snaps in. Won't come out, and you'll notice here we have a lot of extra length. Good side cutters or good shop scissors and you just want to trim it off. About, I don't know, centimetre and a half past the end. Boom. Job done. Now, going to repeat that process on the rear, but the back of the car is not as lit as well as it is in here. It's good to know that the lighting in here is really good at night, and I can film stuff. But that's it. Wiper blades on pretty much anything. Very similar. Sometimes the mechanism here is a little bit different. I've done a few on other cars where the mechanism is slightly different, but it's usually a case of levering something up or popping something, you know, pushing something inside a hole, a clip, whatever's retaining it, and then job done. You know, but yeah, easy peasy. Just so I wanted to get a video up. I've got a little bit of stuff to do on the Skyline. Not much, just simple, easy things. And the Mini's parked under the house currently. And the 300ZX is an absolute mess. And this thing's playing up really badly. The Falcon, which I have started to film a video on it for diagnosing the issue, but it hasn't brought me any joy yet, and that's where the Mini is, parked under the house. So yeah, I guess I'll see you probably on the weekend, because it's currently Thursday evening, and this is a good little job to knock over on a work night, even though today was the Queen's Death Day holiday. So I didn't have to work, but I got some other shit done. I'll see you later. I'm rambling.